If you're an Android user, you need to know this. Did you know that when you go to settings and then you search DNS and then you go to private DNS and then you move down, go to private DNS, and then here I know your phone will be in automatic, so you just tap here private DNS provider's host name, tap in there, and then you tap down there, and then you type in dns.adgar.com. Yes, it's dns.adgar.com. And but by doing that, you block those annoying pop-ups that pop up when you go to website, when you open applications and etc. So that's how we do it. That's how we block those pop-up ads on your phone. It's as simple. Just go to settings, and then in settings you go to the search bar, and then you search DNS, and then tap private DNS, and then you move down to where you see private DNS, and then tap on it, and then your phone will be in automatic. So you change it to private DNS provider host name, and then you remove whatever is there, and then you type in dns.adgar.com, and then you save. So that's how we do it. That's how we block those annoying pop-up ads that pop up when you open websites, open applications, etc. So that's how you do it. But make sure don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the Texter. Like video, and then don't forget turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on the video. Alright, thank you. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Big up.